Imagine building a full app without writing code, without hiring developers, and without paying anything. Today, I will show you 3 free no-code AI tools that feel almost no limit and are perfect for 2026 vibe coding. But no hype, only fact. Before we start, quick truth. There is no truly unlimited free tool, but these platforms let you build real apps, test ideas, and even launch MVPs without hitting a wall too fast. Our tool number 1 is Glide, best for fast apps. What it is, Glide lets you turn spreadsheet into real mobile or web app using AI. Unlimited app drafts, AI data generation and layout, real-time preview, and very fast learning curve. Glide branding on free apps. Limited rows and actions for production use. How to build? Sign in with Google and choose template or blank app. Connect Google Sheet. Use AI to generate screens and share app link instantly. Perfect for MVPs, internal tools, and student projects. Our tool number 2 is Flutterflow. This is the most powerful one. Flutterflow is a visual builder that generates real Flutter apps. Why creators love it? It's AI UI generation, complex logic support, database plus API support feels like real app development. There is some limit. Exporting code requires paid plan. Free tier is for building and testing. How to build? Create a free account, use AI screen generator, drag and drop UI, add logic visually, test in browser. Perfect for serious app builders, startups, and SaaS ideas. Our tool number 3 is Bolt.new, pure vibe coding. Bolt.new builds apps directly from prompts. Why it's viral? Type prompt, app appears. Frontend plus backend generation, real-time code view feels like ChatGPT for apps. Reality, usage limit can change, still evolving rapidly, best for prototypes, not large production apps. How to use? Well, open platform, describe your app idea, refine with prompts, preview instantly, export or iterate. Perfect for idea validation, demos, and vibe coding content. In our comparison section, Glide is best for speed and simplicity. Flutterflow is advanced apps. Bolt.new is AI vibe coding. That's it for today. If you want step-by-step app builds using these tools, comment the tool name, subscribe for more AI plus no code plus vibe coding guides.